taking question number 1, exercise 8C, in which question is a stationer buy pens at 5 for rupees 28 and sell them at a profit of 25%. How much should a customer pay if he buys only one pen and only 3 pens? So what we have, first write down cost of 5 pens equal to rupees 28, cost of 1 pen equal to rupees 28 upon 5, that is rupees 5.6. Profit percent is also given 25%. So SP of 1 pen will be use the formula 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into cost price, 100 plus 25 upon 100 into 5.6. So that is 125 upon 100 into 5.6. 25 5 is 100, 25 5 is 125 and 25 4 is 100. So 4 we can divide 5.6 by 4, 4 1 is 4, 4 4 is 16. For 1.4 we got the 1.4 multiply 5 we get the rupees 7. So selling price of 1 pen equal to rupees 7. Now we have to find out the selling price of 3 pen, that is cost of 1 pen multiply 3, that is rupees 21. So in that manner you will do the question number 1 of exercise 8C. Children, I am taking question number 4 of the same exercise, in which the cost price of a 20 article is the same as the selling price of 16 article. Find the gain percent. So first we are taking let the cost price of 20 article rupees X. So cost price of 1 article will be rupees X upon 20. Now given selling price of 16 article equal to cost price of 20 articles, and we have taken the cost price of 20 article, that is X. So write down there X. So selling price of 1 article will be rupees X upon 16. Now we got the selling price and the cost price of 1 article. So now we will find the gain percent. We know that selling price equal to 100 plus gain percent upon 100 into CP. Now X upon 16 equal to 100 plus gain percent upon 100 into X upon 20. Now change whatever we can change from left to right or right to left. So 20 will go in the numerator and the X will come in the denominator. 100 will go in the numerator. So 100 into X upon 16 into 20 upon X. X to X cancel. 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, and 4 25 is 100. So 25 into 5, that is 125 equal to 100 plus gain percent, or gain percent equal to 100 will go in the right side, or we can write gain percent equal to 125 minus 100, that is 25% is your answer. So in that manner you will do the question number 4 of the exercise 8C. Children, I am taking question number 6 of exercise 8C. By selling 8 pens, Shyam losses equal to the cost price of 2 pen. Find his loss percent. So now we are taking the cost price of 1 pen equal to rupees X, and given loss on 8 pen equal to CP of 2 pen, that is rupees 2X. Loss of 1 pen equal to rupees 2X upon 8, that is X upon 4. Now loss percent we know, loss percent equal to loss upon CP into 100%, that is X upon 4 upon X into 100%. X to X cancel, that is 100 upon 4. 100 upon 4, 4, 25 is 100, so that is 25%. So the loss is 25%. In that manner you will do the question number 6. Children, I am taking question number 9 of the same exercise. Raju sells of watch at 5% profit. Had he sold it rupees 24 more, he would have gained 11%. Find the cost price. So now we are taking, let the cost price be X and the profit percent is given 5%. So we will get the selling price, that is 100 plus 5 upon 100 into the cost price, that is rupees 105 upon 100 X. Now new SP, that is he is going to sell this product 24 rupees more, that the new selling price will be rupees 105 upon 100 X plus rupees 24, and the new profit percent is given 11%. So now put the value in the formula. Selling price equal to 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into CP, that is rupees 105 upon 100 X into rupees 24 plus rupees 24 equal to 100 plus 11 upon 100 into rupees X. So we will take the like term on the right side. So rupees 24 equal to 111 X upon 100 minus 105 upon 100 X. Solving this, we will get the 6X upon 100, that will be equal to rupees 24. Now change it. So we will take the 100 into the product in the numerator, multiply in the numerator, and the 6 in the denominator. So we will get the X equal to 24 into 100 upon 6. 6 4s are 24 and 4 into 100, that rupees 400. So cost price of the watch is rupees 400. So in that manner you will do the question number 9 of the exercise 8C. Children, I am taking question number 11 of the same exercise. Renu sold an article at loss of 8%. Had she bought it at 10% less and sold for rupees 36 more, she have gained 20%. Find the cost price of the article. So here we have, let the cost price rupees x and loss percent is also given 8%. SP equal to 100 minus 8 upon 100 into x, that is rupees 92 upon 100 x. Now given if she sell the article at rupees 36 more, then the new sales SP will be rupees 92 upon 100x plus rupees 36. And if she bought this 10% less, then CP equal to x minus 10x upon 100, that is 90 rupees 90 upon 100x. So at that time she will get the gain percent equal to 20%. Now fill this all. We have this in this formula. What we have, selling price equal to 100 plus 20, gain percent upon 100 into CP. So 92x upon 100 plus 36 equal to 100 plus 20 upon 100 into 90 upon 100x. Now change it, 92 upon 100x plus 36 equal to 100 plus 20, that is 120 upon 100 into 90 upon 100x. Now 10 of 90 will cancel to the 10 of 100. 10 of 120 will cancel to the again one left 0 is 100. So we get the 12 9 the 108x upon 100, and here 92x upon 100x plus 36. Now change, take the like term on the same side. 36 equal to 108x upon 100 minus 92 upon 100x. Now 36 equal to 16x upon 100. Now cross multiplication, we will have the 36, 100 will multiply to 36 and 16 will go in the denominator. So we will get the x equal to 36 into 100 upon 16. 4 4 is 16, 4 25 is 100, 4 9 is 36 and 25 9 is rupees 225. So x equal to, that is cost price equal to rupees 225. So in that manner you will do the question number 11 of the exercise 8.